Hi folks, Bob Dale, Jackson Lease Sales in Jackson, Mississippi, where though we sell principally motorhomes, we sell an occasional trailer or something, but all of us are boat crazy, folks. I mean, those of you who watch our sales notice every once in a while we do have a boat. We bought this boat, I bought to use. I was going to keep it, but I've got a bad back and I need something you can sit down with a backrest and all that. So this is not going to work for me, but we've used it and it is a wonderful rig. It's a 2014 Xpress. The model is XP16, so it's between 16 and 17 foot long. It is almost like, well, it is like brand new. Got a trailer that's beautiful here.
I think that's aluminum.
I do too.
Minn Kota Riptide trolling motor. It's got this coating on it.
What is that? I don't know what that is. It's some kind of coating they put on from the factory, I guess, to keep it.
Don't have to worry about carpet or the finish or anything.
On it.
Got a four-stroke
Yamaha, 50 horsepower Yamaha, tilt trim, all that. Everything works. This thing will go, folks. It will run really, really good. You can't hear this engine run. I mean, it's just that quiet. It has.
We will peel off that goofy mess off the back if you so desire. I didn't see it before we did this video.
Well,
I'd already done it.
No, it doesn't affect the paint. It'll come off. But here you can see it got strap. I mean, it's just everything, folks. It's ready to go. You put it in the water, go fishing or whatever you want to do. It's got rod holders. You see the bay boat configuration
Center
here.
console, got alloy wheels, treads almost brand new on the tires.
But it does have bass fishing seats if you want to use it for that configuration. You see the rod holders. It's a great boat, and like I say, I can't tell you how many. It was a repossession. I can't tell you how many hours on it or anything like that. But based on the looks of the engine, it's very, very few. It could have been a repo for a couple of years. Looks like it's barely been in the water. But all that said, I'm going to sell it, folks. I'm going to have a real generous buy it now or make offer. Be in touch with me. My name's Bob Dale. My phone number is 601-218-1223. 601-218-1223. Call me anytime, weekends, night, mornings, whatever. If I don't answer my phone, I'll call you back. But this is a genuinely wonderful rig. Whoever buys it's going to be tickled to death with it. I imagine you can go out to Bass Pro and buy one for about twice or more what we're going to sell this rig for. But it's a Xpress boat. The model's 16 something. It's between 16 and 17 foot long. It's like new. Got the big Minn Kota on it. 50 horsepower. 4-stroke Yamaha engine that looks brand new. Got
two good batteries in it.
Configured for bay fishing or bass fishing, whatever you want to do. And you can see here the trailer looks just like new. So if you've been looking for a bargain in a boat, this will be it if you can use this kind of boat. Thank you so much for watching our video. I really do appreciate it. Look forward to visiting with you about it. Give me a call if you have any questions. If you want to make an offer, see you here in Jackson, Mississippi. Thank you.